Okay, so is it possible for a car to actually accelerate at 16 meters per second? You're wondering, so I have the answers. Here we go. Whoops, let me get that in there. Um, these are the fastest cars. Technically, this one is by zero point 0.1 seconds faster, but I don't know if it's actually any faster because this one goes to 60 miles per hour in that time. These get to 62 a little faster in 1.1 seconds more. That's about the same. So these are all really fast cars. The Tesla Model S, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, the Bugatti Chiron, and the Ultimate Evolution Coupe Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. These are all really fast cars. So I'm going to do this one right here. 62 miles per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. That's the fastest acceleration. Then I just did a quick conversion online. I just converted 62 miles per hour to. Oop, I spit me out. Let me slide this over here. Um, 62 miles per hour is 27.7 meters per second. Okay, so uh, we got that down. And let me clear this screen and let's do the math. It only takes a second to do it. Uh, obviously we're not working on this, but we go 0 to 27 point. Now I forgot what it was. I think it was 27.7. That's how bad my memory is, guys. 27.7, I was right. So 27.7 meters per second. And it does this in, what was it, 2.4 seconds. Okay? So remember the definition of acceleration technically is final velocity minus initial starting velocity divided by the time. That's it. That's equation 1, which actually looks like this. I think they solve it for V. Equation 1, it's VO plus AT. So that, same thing. You just do a little bit of algebra and move it around and it becomes this. So this is pretty much the definition of an acceleration. So let's figure out what it is. Final velocity 27.7 minus 0, that's the starting speed, initial velocity 0, and divided by 2.4 seconds. So pretty much it's 27.7 divided by 2.4. So 27.7 divided by 2.4 is equal to 11.5. You can go a little bit over gravity, 11.54. So that's 11. The answer is 11.54. These are the fastest stock cars in the world without putting like a rocket on the back of it or something. This is with an engine and wheels. Meters per second squared. So that's about the fastest cars in the world right there. Okay? That's really fast. My sample problem was 16. I had a feeling was 16 meters per second. That could not happen. But anyway, that's the actual answer to my problem. But so what I wrote down is actually impossible. It's impossible for a race car to start at rest and go 200 meters in 5 seconds. No car could do that. But I just made that up. So here's some cool food for thought. That's the fastest acceleration possible. That's even faster than gravity will pull a car down. So if you just drop a car off a cliff, it'll accelerate downward at this rate right here. But if you have an engine on it and you got one of the super fast cars, it'll actually go faster than that on a road. Pretty interesting, guys. All right. Hope you enjoyed that.